This is a super simple guide to installing Super Favorites, a Kodi add-on that lets you combine feeds from multiple locations into a single, consolidated, easy-to-access location. No more jumping through hoops, searching from add-on to add-on, looking for your favorite channels. Super Favorites brings it all together in one location. Super Favorites is really easy to install because it's already part of the Kodi repository. To install it, select System, Add-Ons, Kodi Add-On Repository, Video Add-Ons, scroll down to Super Favorites. Select Install. After a few moments, you'll see the Super Favorites add-on enabled sign. Now that Super Favorites is installed, let's add a super easy shortcut to the home screen. From the home screen, select System, select Appearance, and under Skin, select Settings. Under Add-ons, Homepage Video submenu. My next open slot is add-on number 3. Then select Super Favorites for your shortcut. Let's go out to the home screen and check for the shortcut, and then launch Super Favorites. Here's the Super Favorites shortcut. First time you launch Super Favorites, you get 5 menu choices. The first option is iSearch, which lets you create your own unique search queries. The second option is iExplore, which lets you search the hard drive of your Kodi device. iPlay will let you pull together any playlists you've created through Kodi. Create New Superfolder lets you create your own folder structure within the screen. And last, Explore Kodi Favorites lets you navigate the Kodi Favorites screens. Let's first go through some of the settings of Super Favorites. Open up the context menu and select Super Favorites Settings. Under General, Location of Super Favorites folder, this is a great feature if you have multiple Kodi installations. You can point this to a Dropbox or a network folder so that they're all pulling from one location. Makes it much easier to update one location and have that information spread throughout the Kodi devices. Under the Display tab lets you customize the interface. You can show different menu options, you can remove iPlaylist, you can resort the menus, you can add separators, you can add images, you can add startup messages. Under Global menu, I recommend selecting Enable Global Super Favorites menu. This will help force the context menu in other add-ons. Under Menu Options, this is where you can select which options on your home screen are visible. For example, if you don't want to use the iSearch capability, you simply unselect it and it's gone from the main menu. Other features represents the main menu list of options. So for example, if you don't use iSearch in the subcontext menu, you also probably don't use it under iSearch, so simply remove it from this option. Also, if you don't use the iPlay playlist capability, you can remove this from the main menu. When you go out to the Super Favorites main menu, you'll see a modified menu list. Now let's create some Super Favorite folders. Select Create New Super Folder. Add a name. I've added 3 folders, one called Channels, one called Movies, one called TV Shows. Now let's add content to these folders. If you have live TV set up for Kodi, you'll have an option called TV and then Channels. If not, feel free to check my other videos on how to set this option up. Under Channels, simply pull up a context menu on your favorite channel and select Add to Super Favorites. Select the folder structure Super Favorites, then Channels. Select OK. Now let's go back to Super Favorites and check the folder. Under Super Favorites Channels, you now have ABC News, and you can launch it immediately. Let's add some movies. Under Specto Fork, select TV Shows, select Search, under Simpsons, select the context menu, select Add to Super Favorites. Super Favorites submenu, TV Shows, select OK. Now let's add a movie. select your movie, select the context menu, select Add to Super Favorites, and then select OK. One of the biggest struggles we have with Kodi add-ons is the content. While Specto might have some great video, it doesn't have everything. So you might need to use a second add-on to pull in special content. Instead of flipping between the two, you can simply pull in content from both locations. So in this example, let's select Exodus. Let's select another TV show. Under Walking Dead, pull up the context menu, select Add to Super Favorites, Super Favorites submenu, TV shows, select OK. Now let's go into Super Favorites. Now as a reminder, I pulled in Simpsons from Specto and I pulled in Walking Dead from Exodus. Both of these are in one location. Now you know how to set up super favorites, create your own folder structures, and pull in content from multiple stream locations.